Hello guys, good evening. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful pamurikat in the evening. Nandito na naman si Inday. Hindi po sa nagpapasikat si Inday. My daily routine lang. No? Yung mag-uusap lang. Yan lang ang ginagawa ko sa buhay para kaming mga sira. Laging nakahiga, chika-chika. At malapit na pala ang Pasko, guys. Nangangamoy na. Nangangamoy divin na. Nangangamoy divin na. Okay, so for today's video, guys, tumawag itong si Upaw kasi gusto niya daw ang computer ko. Parang sira tong ano na to tinuruan ko siya, nagpapaturo siya sa akin kasi as what I have said, he is not a techie. He is not a computer savvy. So, nagpapaturo siya kung papaano daw maglagay ng screensaver sa kanyang computer at wallpaper. So, tinuruan ko siya, guys. Kasi, alam niya na nasa linya ako ng ganito. So, I know how to do such things, especially like this. So what I did, nasa huli po ng video natin, tinuruan ko siya. Sabi niya sa akin, I want to put your name here on my computer, and I want you also to put my name there on your computer. So, ako nang nag-initiate, ako na yung nag-una para matuto siya. So, binigyan ko siya ng instruction. I actually sent him the instruction how to do that. And he successfully put the screensaver on his computer, which is Jenny na gumagalaw. Jeneline nga yung ilalagay niya sa kanya computer. Sabi ko, wag na kasi mahaba. So, yun na lang, Jenny. Anyway, yun lang yung pinag-usapan namin. Para tong kahit ano-ano na lang yung naiisip. At kahit sa cellphone, ganun din ang Ginoo ko. Para kaming mga buang. Anyways, yun lang ang for today's video, no? Nangangamoy ng December. Naamoy ko na si David. No? So, ayun guys, I'm gonna show you the process how to put screensaver. I made a screensaver, that's your name, and it will only pop up if you're not playing YouTube or you're not doing such thing on your computer. But if you're gonna press using your mouse, or if you're gonna use that one, so I'm gonna close this tab, and this is the wallpaper. That's it.